So, hello everyone, my name is Bablu Bawali, and this is a training session for sharing the access. So, keep in mind that Facebook options and features are changing day by day. So, if you don't find the settings, just follow through the process and do whatever I'm just going to share with. Okay. First of all, let's get to the point. जहाँ पे we are going to share access. First, we need to understand access भेजते कैसे, how to send access. Second, we are going to see how you can receive those access. ठीक है. So first of all, I for sharing access, you need to have some rights. For example, if you want to share, for example, this is a page called Shortbiz. Okay, we can. I am confirming from this. See, this is Shortbiz. This is a page which I have. This is my personal account. Okay, so what you need to do is if you are over here. Okay, first what you need to do is click over here. Now you need to switch your account from योर पर्सनल टू योर पर्टिकुलर पेज ओके जिसका आपको एक्सेस शेयर करना है ठीक है सो नाउ दिस इज द पेज विच आई हैव राइट नाउ this is a home page. Now what I need to do is I need to send access of this page to a particular agency or particular person. What I need to do is I need to go to settings. Okay, over here we are going to write access. So this is something called page access. Just click over here. Now see this page access, click on page access. Now we don't have any person, this is only me. I need to add some tasks and some people over here. Okay, so this is next. Now I need to send this access to someone. So what you can do is, I'm currently using second account. This is our agency account. For example, just to go and check it, this right facebook.com. So this is the account of our. Okay, so now I'm going to search for this facebook.com/td Amar. Okay, so this is the URL of this page. You can search by name as well. For example, Amar Tiwari. See, Amar Tiwari. Okay, so this is how you can share the access. This is one. Now, if you don't have that, you can go and search for email ID as well. For example, the digital agency @gmail.com. You can search someone from here. Either what you can do is the best way to do is to paste the URL link. It will help Facebook to go there to that particular person whom you want to share the access. Okay, just write this, and now you need to share the access. What kind of access you want to share with someone? Now give access. Okay, just add your password. This is done. Also, this is going to be for 31 days. Now I need to share that how you can accept your access. For example, this is you share the access. Now it's time for us to accept that particular access. Okay. So this is the Facebook account, and you can check over the notification that someone shared you the access. 90% of the time you won't get the notification. So there is a better way to outreach how you can connect with people. Go to nine dots. Now there will be a part called pages. Okay, so click on that. So this is it. Here is an option called invitation. So click on that. Now you will find that there is a person. You can accept this particular invitation. Now you are good to go. Now you can manage particular pages as well. Let me show you with an example that can I run ad from this page. Now I need to go to Facebook ads manager.facebook.com. I'm selecting a particular account called Amar Tiwari. So you can select any one of them. If you have the access, if you have the admin rights, you can select any of them. Okay. So I want to run ad from this one. Create, for example, testing. I'm just testing it out that am I able to find that particular page or not. So it will confirm that I can run ads on that pages. Okay. Next. Now just need to figure out. Yeah. So I need a page called short short biz. So see, I do have that access and now I can run ads. Okay. So this is how you run ads and this is how you share access from one person to another. Now the second thing is how you can send access from an ads manager. Okay. You can even send invitation from ads manager. For example, you need to go to ads manager. Okay. You open your Facebook ads manager. Now you need to check out all tools. Now go to business setting. So what business setting does is it's going to open all the pages and all the pages and all the access which you have given. So these all are the accounts, ad accounts. Okay. So I'm going to select this one. Now you can check. See, this is pages. Okay. So now if you want to add any kind of pages, you can access to that. For example, now I write pages. Now I need to add pages on this. Add an existing Facebook page or request a shared access. Currently, I'm looking forward to access. For example, this is my personal page. Okay, so this is the page. Click on that. Next, confirm. Okay, done. Now what is remaining? You need to accept the invitation. So as we all know how to accept invitations. First, go to your personal account. See your page is connected with this one. Okay. So you need to go to this. Just check out. Do you get have you like got any kind of invitations or not? If not, there's a simple process. Click over here. Go to pages. Now go to invitations. Let's see, did we get any kind of invitations or not? Hmm. Now I need to check my Gmail. See, in your mail you will get an access request. So this is my email and this is how you accept the request as well. Okay, so these are the two or three types which I shared right now. Go and check it out which works for you, and thank you for having me.